Here at Portsmouth in the UK, Harwin is an electronic connector manufacturer. We're faced with a number of problems in manufacturing connectors. One of the problems we have is being able to produce a connector for the industry that is small, light and flexible.
The manufacturing for the Harwin's Gecko connector series has been continuously refined from an initial manual process to today's highly automated solution. Capable of producing hundreds of thousands of connectors a year with a wide range of connector configurations. For this reason, Harwin has developed new assembly lines which are based on a modular and scalable automation concept. The three main stations for inserting the pin contacts into the connector housings, press-fitting the pins and bending the pins are based on modules with as many standard parts as possible.
FESTO introduced us to the Mini H-handler. When we looked at this application, we straight away could see the advantages of using this device, along with the new Servo press. This allowed us to control pin depth and accuracy and repeatability using the two devices coming together.
The entire Gecko production lines are built around the Servo press kit YJKP and the compact handling system YXMX from FESTO. The handling system takes care of the XY movements of the workpiece carriers and the plastic housings assembled in the system stations. The Servo press kit is used for press fitting and bending the contact pins. In all stations, the electric and pneumatic drives are controlled by their own FESTO CECCX controller, together with a valve terminal CPX MPA. Both systems, the Servo press and the compact handling system, are delivered as ready-to-use system kit, including hardware, controller, and application software.
We chose FESTO as a partner in automation to give us the right type of products to help us with our automation in flexibility and repeatability.
Hello friends, my name is Lalit Ahuja. My company Hydraulics and Pneumatics Jaipur is the official partner for FESTO for last 20 years. We look forward to working with you. Thank you.